Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be talking about the wave entry alerts indicator for MT4. This tool marks potential wave-based entry zones on your charts and triggers alerts when those conditions appear, so you can focus on analysis instead of constantly watching for setups. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. If you look closely on the charts, you can see how it appears. So the wave entry alerts indicator plus visual markers directly on the price chart are points where its internal wave logic detects a possible long or short opportunity. These markers highlight price areas where a prior swing may be ending and a new wave leg may be starting. The on-chart display gives you an immediate sense of where the indicator believes the current structure could support a fresh entry. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Writing inputs typically include parameters that define how sensitive the wave detection is to swings in price and how far a move must develop before an alert is generated. You can also configure whether alerts are delivered via pop-up, sound, email, or push notifications. And you can also adjust the visual style of the markers so they stand out clearly without overcrowding the charts. So who's this indicator for and what are its limitations? The wave entry alerts indicator is suited to traders who like wave style trading but want help spotting potential entries and getting timely notifications. It cannot guarantee valid wave structure, may give signals that do not align with your personal wave interpretation, and should be used with other tools and disciplined risk management rather than as an automatic trading system. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the wave entry alerts indicator MT4 and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.